Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Charles Schwab transfer money to IRA step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the home page. Click on the Transfer option under the Accounts drop-down. Select Transfer Money from the available options. Choose the type of transfer you want to initiate, specifically IRA transfer. Select the account from which you wish to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your IRA. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Follow any on-screen prompts to provide additional information if required. Choose your preferred transfer method, either electronic transfer or check. If selecting electronic transfer, enter your bank account information as needed. If choosing a check transfer, follow the instructions to mail the check to the specified address. Agree to any terms and conditions presented. Confirm the transfer request by clicking on the Submit button. Check for a confirmation message on the screen. You may receive an email confirmation shortly after submitting your transfer. Log out of your account once you have completed the transfer process. Keep an eye on your IRA account for the arrival of transferred funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.